Hey, we're here with our 1971 Day Sailor 2 CYANE. Got her rigged up, ready to step the mast. Probably do that tomorrow. But what we're going to do is I'll climb inside. We'll get her hooked up to a car first so she doesn't tip back on her stern and walk around inside the cockpit. We attached our roller furling to this tang up here. It's between this spinnaker halyard and the old jib halyard. So we can set it up either way with a forestay and a jib halyard or boat tow. Just getting a roller furling so that we leave all that hooked up out on the lift and ready. Oop, ready to go sailing. Sorry about that. So we've got a line connected down to the lower furling drum. Run it up to a block on the bow. And here's the little tang where the furler's going to connect. So when we get ready, I'll step in the middle of the boat here and then lift the mast, steady it with one hand, and pull the red line to pull that furler forward. Then once it's stepped, that forward pin will be out. We can bend the forward part of the hinge plate and then step down, come around, and hook up the furler.